Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use API keys in WordPress. An API key is a unique identifier used to authenticate a user, developer, or calling program to an API. It acts like a password, granting access to specific services and data. In WordPress, API keys are crucial for integrating third-party services like analytics, payment gateways, or mapping tools, ensuring secure and authorized data exchange between your site and external platforms. Obtaining your API key usually involves registering an account with the third-party service you wish to integrate. Once registered, navigate to their developer dashboard or settings area. Here, you'll typically find an option to generate a new API key. Some services provide both public and private keys, each with distinct access levels. Always ensure you're generating the correct type of key for your specific integration needs. Integrating an API key into your WordPress site can be done in several ways. Many plugins and themes offer dedicated fields within their settings for entering API keys, providing a straightforward solution. For custom integrations, you might add the key to your WP config, PHP file as a constant, or use a custom plugin to store and retrieve it securely. Avoid embedding keys directly into JavaScript or publicly accessible files to prevent exposure. Protecting your API keys is paramount. Never expose them in client-side code or commit them directly to public version control repositories. Instead, use server-side storage like environment variables or dedicated WordPress constants. Regularly review your API key usage and revoke or regenerate keys if you suspect any compromise. Implementing IP restrictions or domain whitelisting, where available, adds an extra layer of security, limiting key usage to authorized sources.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.